time, in a faraway kingdom, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. One day, Goldilocks was walking through the forest when she came across a little cottage. She knocked on the door, but no one answered. She opened the door and walked inside. Inside the cottage, there were 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Goldilocks tasted the porridge from the first bowl, but it was too hot. She tried the porridge from the second bowl, but it was too cold. Finally, she tasted the porridge from the third bowl and it was just right. She ate it all up. After finishing the porridge, Goldilocks saw 3 chairs. She tried the first chair, but it was too hard. She tried the second chair, but it was too soft. Finally, she tried the third chair, and it was just right. But as she sat down, the chair broke. Goldilocks was feeling tired, so she went upstairs to take a nap. She saw 3 beds, and she tried the first bed, but it was too hard. She tried the second bed, but it was too soft. Finally, she tried the third bed, and it was just right. She fell asleep. When the owners of the cottage, the 3 bears, returned home, they saw that someone had been there. They found Goldilocks asleep in the baby bear's bed. Goldilocks woke up and ran out of the cottage, never to return again. The 3 bears forgave Goldilocks for her mistake, and they lived happily ever after. I hope you enjoyed the story. Let me know if you'd like to hear more.